his soft blanket, Kiki sleeps peacefully till morning. As the alarm goes off, he stretches sweetly, takes a deep yawn, and gets ready for a wonderful new day. Early morning, Kiki jumps out of bed and grabs his tiny broom. Step by step, he sweeps every little corner until it sparkles clean. With each stroke, his joy grows, making the little house cozier and brighter than ever. After cleaning up, Kiki carries a little basket into the yard. He scatters grains on the ground, and the chicks rush over, pecking happily. Watching them eat with joy, Kiki smiles warmly as the morning feels so bright and cozy. After feeding the chickens, Kiki scurries back into the kitchen. He sets a pan on the stove and cracks an egg with care. Sizzle! The aroma spreads through the little house. A golden sunny side-up egg appears, and Kiki happily gets ready for his tasty breakfast. After breakfast, Kiki grabs his little watering can and runs to the garden. He gently waters each flower, drops sparkling under the morning sun. The blossoms sway softly as if smiling at Kiki, filling the garden with life and joy. After watering the flowers, Kiki carries a basket of clothes into the yard. He carefully clips each shirt and towel onto the line. As the breeze blows, the clothes flutter gently, and Kiki claps his tiny hands with joy, enjoying the fresh morning air.